And there we go with the unboxing close-up of the Juul 2. So that's the device, that's a starter kit. And this is just 2 packs of the cartridges. There's some other little bits in here. You can get it an app for it. I will show you the app later in this video. So there is an app you can use if you want to. And there's just some information. And if you want, there's 10% off there your next order. I don't know if that works with everyone, but that's in there if you want it. Buy now. Let's have a look at this then. The Juul 2. This is the starter kit. So you get 2 pods, you get a mint and a tobacco, and you get the device and the charger. Let's give it a spin test. Oh, let's give it a spin test again. Not bad on the spin test from the Juul 2. So inside you're getting 2 boxes. One of them's your variety pack, your mint, your tobacco, 2 pods in that. And this is the device. Let's have a look at these pods quickly first. So these pods apparently hold 70% more e-liquid than the standard Juul pods. We will do a bit of a comparison in a minute. It has got the name of the flavour there. And that was the tobacco. And this one's the menthol. So let's have a look at the device. The Juul 2. A little bit of literature with some information about it. Nothing else in there. You've got your charger, and you've got the device, nothing else in there. That is it. All made of cardboard and paper now, so no plastic on this. So looking at the device here, pretty much a sealed unit. You charge it there, you put the pod on there, and you've got a little light display there. So to charge it, put that in any USB source, and then them 2 metal parts there, magnets on. See how strong it is? It's not the strongest of magnets, but it's not bad. Yeah, just when you've got it on charge, just make sure you don't knock it because it'll fall off. You just want to put it on charge somewhere like that, or like that, or like that, or like that. Depends what way your charger is. Upside down, it may fall, but that's what it is. There's no other way to charge this device. There's no ports at the bottom on the side to charge it up. You need this. So the battery on this is a 330 milliamp hours. Juul is saying it's lasting all day, but we'll see. So there's the unboxing of the Juul.